Are you still struggling to get traffic online? If that sounds like you, then pay close attention for the next few moments to this very short video. Because you're about to discover how we're exploiting a 1 billion visitor source for 100% free traffic that turns into sales. Hey, it's Art from Team Black Belt here, and today we are not going to show you an unproven method based on theory. After all, how many times do these work anyway? Let's face it, we all need traffic and lots of it. It doesn't matter if you're a list builder, video marketer, online store owner, affiliate marketer, you need traffic to succeed online. It is the lifeblood of any marketer. Getting it is the hard part though, because there seems to be nothing but expensive and time-consuming ways of converting traffic. Well, we knew there was a better way and we found that way. We've been able to siphon boatloads of free traffic from this 1 billion visitor source, and it all comes in on autopilot. So what is this traffic source we've been talking about here? We're talking about Instagram. Now, even if you've tried Instagram and possibly failed, please hear me out for a second here. This is something completely different from what you've used before, and I can assure you that. And why we use Instagram? There are 3 good reasons. Reason number 1, they have 1 billion users. Reason number 2, these users are 10 times more engaged comparing to Facebook. And reason number 3, Instagram users spend much more on average. Now you might be thinking, but isn't Instagram time consuming? Well, we had a simple yet genius idea. We thought, why don't we automate what the Instagram traffic experts are doing manually? So we hired a team of tech geeks to put together a software that does exactly that. And after months of testing, tweaking and development, it's been a success. Just take a look at the traffic and sales we've been able to get. Introducing Instaboostgram. You're only 3 steps away from generating boatloads of free traffic. Step 1, log into Instaboostgram. Step 2, adjust a few simple settings. This is so you get the traffic. And step 3, watch the free targeted traffic start to roll in. And if you don't have a computer, this is perfect for you as it is a web-based apps that work from any device. Here's everything you're getting with Instaboostgram. Access to the Instaboostgram software, step-by-step training showing how to make the most out of the software, action taker bonuses, and a world-class support team ready to help you. So what are you waiting for? To secure a discounted copy of Instaboostgram, simply click on the buy now button below and we will personally connect with you on the next page.